Good morning, guys, and welcome back to our channel. Laura's messing around with the luggage. Can you hear them birds? Today is a sad day for us both. We're heading home. We're all packed up. My bag is slightly overweight. A bit like me after this holiday. So we don't fly till 8:30 tonight, which is late. So I think the plan is we're gonna head down to the pool. We've got to check out our room now, 10 o'clock in the morning. Hence why we're panicking, packing all our stuff. So we're gonna head to the pool, maybe some shopping. I don't really know what we're gonna do. It's a bit off the cuff today. Yeah, we are gonna wing it today. But we need to get to the airport a bit later, obviously. We might just go there early, chill out. Who knows? We're flying with Virgin Atlantic tonight, our favorite.
We're gonna try and maybe upgrade at the airport though, if we can.
That is the plan, but we spent a little too much this holiday.
We have a budget, so if it's not in the budget, then we're not gonna do it.
But I'll quickly give you a room tour anyway, show you around the place, and then we got to load up the car and get out of it. Ah, it's a beautiful morning. Can we stay, Laura?
Yes.
Yes. God damn it. I'm stuck.
Too much stuff.
Pop the boot for me, please.
Very heavy.
So here's our accommodation, guys. I thought I'd start outside just to show you our driveway. Here's our car that we hired, and there's a space for next door. As we head on in, this is a 2-bedroom bungalow at Orange Lake. We're just about to check out, so all this stuff is for the cleaners. We're room number 3001. As we walk in, oh, that aircon's beautiful. Here's the main kitchen. Everything you need, appliances, cutlery, the lot. They even give you washing up liquid, stuff for the dishwasher. There's the fridge, oven, cooker, microwave. Everything you need is right here. Just behind me in these doors is your washing machine and tumble dryer. We bought these. They do give you a few packs of washing up powder. Up here's some storage. That's the stuff they give you, the Tide stuff. We didn't use that, we bought our own. And some more storage. Plenty of storage in this kitchen. Nice and big. It probably doesn't look that big on camera, but it's perfect. Huge. As we walk down, we're gonna head on into this room, which we never used, obviously. There's only 2 of us. But 2 double beds. Perfect for kids. They got their own TV. Here's the ironing board, which I couldn't manage to put down, so hopefully the cleaners will. Apologies. The bathroom. You got a bath and shower, toilet, beautiful sink, storage underneath. There's the mirror, there I am. And as we head round here, you've got the wardrobe. You've got your iron, the ironing board did live in here. You've got the Hoover, coat hangers, everything you need. And the cool thing about this room is you can lock this door to the bedroom, but you also have this door, which you can also lock, but this leads out back to the kitchen. So that's where we went into the bedroom. And this door is where we come out into the dining area. Huge dining table, perfect. You got bar stools if you just fancy eating up there, breakfast or whatever. We did that a few times. You've got another mirror here. I love how it's so open planned. Loads of seating in the living room. Obviously TV. I set up my laptop just on there. Loads of room for that. Before we head on outside, we'll head into the main bedroom. Again, the bed isn't as tidy or as neat as it would be when you first arrive. We tried, tidying up for the cleaners, which we always do. We try our best. But here's the TV. You got drawers. Got a nice seat in the corner. We'll head on out there in a minute. Both sides of the bed, you've got bedside tables, drawers, plug sockets. There's loads of plug sockets dotted around. There's one just there. Big mirror. Again, another wardrobe. The towels lift up there. Got coat hangers, a bin, plenty of room. And that's shut off by this door. And then again, the sink area. There I am again. Huge, we both use this. So there's plenty of room for 2 people. As we head on in to the bathroom, You got a jacuzzi bath, which is lovely by the way, a shower, and then your toilet. They do provide you with Dove shampoo, conditioner and soap. You can get to the outside from the bedroom, but we're gonna go out of the living room. These just slide, it's like a netting. So if there's a nice breeze, then you can just open the main door and keep the netting. This is obviously the main door. Locks just like that, that goes in there. Let's head on out. Huge area this, by the way. You got 2 sun loungers, table, and 9 times out of 10 you're gonna look out onto a golf course, which we do. So quiet at night, so peaceful. It was lovely just sitting out here. So that is the room, guys. I love it, and I can't wait to come back next year. Are you waiting patiently?
I am.
Let's go. We're at one of the swimming pools at our resort. This is in the West Village, I think.
I've never been.
We've never been. I've never been. Oh, you need your key to get in, and we've checked out. Interesting. Switched on over to GoPro, and we're heading in. Come on, girl. Beautiful. All this sunbathing's making us hungry. So we're gonna grab ourselves a pizza. These pizzas honestly are beautiful. God damn, it looks good. So we went for the boneless chicken wings and the small barbecue chicken pizza. There's our chicken wings and there's our pizza. Honestly, don't look a lot, but this is banging. I can't wait for you to try some. And it only cost $28.76. Which I think isn't too bad, really.
Bargain.
Bargain. First bite of the pizza. We're leaving.
So long.
I'm so sad. I think I said that swimming pool was in the West Village. I was wrong. It was in the North Village. We were staying in the West Village. So there's 4 villages. North Village, where the pool was. West Village, where we were staying. East Village, and then River Island. So they are the villages at Orange Lake. If you've stayed there before, let me know which ones you've stayed in. So we're just heading to the airport now, Terminal A. Our flight has been delayed by an hour and a half, which sucks.
Yes. But it means more time in America.
It does mean more time in America, and it means we're going to be taking off when it's actually dark.
So we can get some sleep.
The flight's now 10 to 10.
Cowboy time.
10 to 10, 10 to 10, 10 to 10, 10 to 10. Bye, car. Let's go.
It's like a little horse with all the bags. My feet are hurting, so I have to take the easy option.
Bags are dropped. We tried upgrading, but the flight is fully booked from top to bottom, as she said. So that kind of sucks, but it also saves us money.
Saves us money because we would have done it.
Yeah, we would have. So we're going to go through security now, get a Chick-fil-A, and just spend some time doing absolutely nothing, basically. Maybe a bit of shopping, some editing, and trying to avoid sleeping so we don't miss the flight. Absolutely destroyed a Chick-fil-A.
In about 5 minutes.
Laura's introduced me to the famous Chick-fil-A. So now we're just heading through security. You can probably tell by my eyes, I'm absolutely shattered. I need to get on this plane and just sleep.
Yes.
We did a bit of editing, we did a bit of shopping, did some TikToks, but now it's time to leave this gaff. I'm fuming. I'm gutted.
Sad.
I'm sad. But yeah, let's head through security, get to our gate, and see what plane we're getting. I caught you. They not got it?
No.
Still.
I got his other one, but not the one I want.
Oh, gutted. So where's next year? I love this airport, you know. Especially at night. All lights up. Here's our plane. Rosie Lee. It's a new one because you can tell with the black around the windows where the pilots are. And it looks like they've just come in. So it's going to be a 2-hour turnaround. It's pretty rapid. We waiting.
We're still here.
When was we meant to board? How long ago?
We were meant to fly an hour ago.
Yeah.
And we're meant to be flying in 20 minutes.
And we're still not boarded.
No one's boarded yet.
This is a long day. It's a long night.
Attention please, greetings, I'm Angelina Tremblay.
Always got to make sure you touch the plane. Touch it, touch it. Good. We're in.
We've moved the armrest. So we have more snuggles.
Like little sardines in. I just want to get home now. It's been a long day.
10:15.
Yeah.
We should have
We're
left
almost 2 hours.
2 hours ago.
Yeah. We're back, guys. We've landed. I didn't record much because obviously it was a night flight and we was asleep for half of it. But my God, it was a bit of a mad
It was bumpy.
flight. It was bumpy, but
It was loud.
to make up time, he said he was going to go faster.
As
And
fast as he possibly could.
my God, it was quick. It was like 1,000 kilometers an hour.
And you could hear him like putting the foot down.
Yeah, it was like speed up, and then he would slow down, like he shut the engine off. But no, we're back safe, thankfully. Gonna grab our bags,
And we're gonna go.
meet Lou, because he's picking us up, and then go see Benz.
He wants to go home. Now. Hello.
Wait, what's this?
Got that phone appointment at
Yeah.
4.
Bentley! Hello, boy. Hello, boy. Hello, mate.